Game Changers! Welcome back to the GSPH group where we review your memes so that I can have a content. Before we start, kung bago lang kayo dito, I'll give you a warning. Punong-puno ng simp ang naan dito. Lolicon and a combination of weird people at saka manlalait. Kasi nilait nila yung buhok ko kaya hindi natulilit ako kahit kailan. Ako hindi ako manlalait. Ako ang pinakamabait na tao dito sa grupong to. By the way, hindi ko nga pala inactivate uli yung green screen dahil I'm just reviewing memes. I don't need an invisible background. Ginawa ko lang sa last Minecraft para ipakitang kaya ko dahil ang daming makulit. So, pwede na nating tingnan yung mga posts. Actually, this is the scariest content that I always make. Natatakot ako makita yung post nyo.
Shoot! You have slain an enemy.
I didn't laugh. I didn't smile. Ano lang, kaya nagganon yung mukha ko. May nakita ako dito na ano yun. May langaw dito. Tiningnan ko lang na masama kaya naganon yung mukha ko. Me when someone tries to take my food. What is happening? Oh! Napakalakas! Oh my God! All this for a piece of chicken, ha? Oh! The plate mechanics! Oh my God! Indian movies, yo. It's as awesome as the Filipino movies like Provinciano. Feel na feel mo yung action. Talagang, you know, parang ano eh, parang nanonood ng mga Chinese kung fu movies eh. Napakagaling ng mga galaw. I am sure Olenji approved this post. Is it weird? Nakilala ko yung mga kino-cosplay nila. Yung isa ka, pareho yung kino-cosplay eh. No. I'm not a simp. I don't know about VTubers. What's that? You guys are weird.
Ikaw ang pumatay kay Mr. Kamagawa. Nakita ko inilagay mo ang kutsilyo
Why is he sleeping?
ilalim ng lamesa. Kaya ikaw ang pumatay.
Why is he sleeping? Oh, come on. Maganda na eh. Maganda eh. Why is he sleeping? I need the full video. The two ADCs in laning phase. The two support in lane. Yeah. When I play ADC, mas agre pa yung support ko at saka yung support ng kalabang kaysa sa amin. Nagpa-farm lang kami ng creeps. Hindi kami nag-e-exist. Nagpapatayan na sila level 1 pa lang. So support is the most powerful role in the game. Baka gusto mo lang. No, I don't like this. I don't know her. I don't watch VTuber. This is so weird. Why would you think that I would like this? I don't like it at all. The first one is Chinese. The second, we cannot speak Chinese. The third is we don't speak. I can't say it, okay? I can't say it. It's very sensitive. Stop doing this. Let's go to the next one. Got him! Wow, I don't know this anime. Wow, this looks interesting. What anime is this? Okay, the anime source is in the description. I'll try to watch this. This looks fun. Wow, what is this girl doing? Ayan, may nagpa-impress no. Oh! Ayan. Pa-impress ka kasi. Napahiya ka to eh. That's why you should just love VTubers. I mean, you should just be yourself. Wag na kayo magpa-impress. Pagtagal, may hahanga din sa inyo. You don't need to do that. Masyado madilim. Nope, I didn't laugh. Hindi ako natatawa sa mga puwit. Lalo na pagka maitim. How to steal a girl's heart. O yan, ito yung follow-up siguro dun sa kaninang pa-impress. Game changing. That guy is, you know, a game changer when stealing a girl's heart. You see, kailangan mo pa bang mag-crane game? Kung ikaw yung staff, buksan mo na lang, ibigay mo sa kanya.
Ito po, tingnan nyo po ang mga damit na
Oo nga
dinonate.
pala na. Actually, all the things happening, mag-donate tayo sa mga nasalanta. Pinag-donate na Jollibee. That's cool. Okay? Ayan ang pinaka-cool na damit na makukuha mo. Pag naggagala ka, magkakamalang kang crew ng Jollibee. Ito yung naglag sila ng sports fest. Sabi na eh. Kasi ang dami nila. I mean, hindi ko pala alam ano yung sports fest. Wala akong idea na nangyari. Ano ito? What is this weirdness? What are you? Simps? I don't know this. Oh, it's a prank. Oh! That's when you know, natakot mo talaga yung mga kaibigan mo. So, sobrang takot na nanakit na sila. Good job, Mr. Clown. This is creepy. And I'm looking at it right now at it's magteten na ng gabi dito. This is scary, okay? Hindi ko aalisin dyan para matakot din kayo. Profile picture versus tagged photo. Marami makaka-relate dyan. Sigurado ako, yung profile picture nila either pogi o maganda, but yung tag photo, kailangan hindi siya mukhang tae bago ko i-approve. Ganun di ba? Ganun ang ginagawa nyo eh. There's only one thing I can say. I will not mute this. Pag ako kinapi-strike ni Jesus, at least alam kong mapupunta sa mabuti yung pera. Simp.
Hoy, tama na! Hoy! Hoy! Hoy, tama na! Hoy! Hoy, tama na! Hoy! Hoy!
Hoy! This is the pinnacle of YouTube content. Paulul reacting to a meme while me reacting to Paulul reacting to a meme. This is peak YouTube content right here. So yeah, I went to the barber with my cousins na fans din ng GSPH. Barbero, sir, anong gupit? Ako, yung game-changing na tabas sana. We all laughed like complete a-holes. Then, pinakita ng pinsan ko yung picture, screenshot ni Kuya Lak. Natawa yung barbero, sabay sabing, okay, basic. It's not basic. It's complex. It's the best. And, tada! Wag kasing pogi na kami ni Kuya Lak. That is game-changing. That's a game-changer move right there. You know what? Dahil ginaya niya ang buhok ko, I feel like pwede ko na ipakita rin ang buhok ko ngayon. It's the coolest hairstyle ever. Ilalike muna natin tong picture na to. And then, I think, I'll continue creating videos and gameplay na pinapakita ang buhok ko. Like this first. And then, tanggalin ang ating cap.